Shalom guys. So starting this Thursday evening, October 18th, going to Friday evening, October 19th. So all day Friday, October 19th, is the Day of Atonement, Yom Kippur, a day of fasting and prayer. Because Halloween is coming up on October 31st, this is the highest satanic holiday where they literally take hundreds of thousands of missing children and sacrifice them on underground tunnels and altars in satanic ritual abuse fashion, all on that night, Halloween night. Go to Fiona Barnett's page if you don't believe me. It's the highest satanic holiday, and they do lots of ritual sacrifices across the United States and the world. I want as many of my subscribers as possible to join me on Yom Kippur to pray and fast. No food, no water, from sunset Thursday to sunset Friday. And we are going to rend our hearts and we are going to pray. We're going to ask Yah to move on the behalf of these little children, that not a single child is harmed, and that all of Satan's plans for Halloween night are completely and totally upended. That the chariot wheels fall off the chariots, as it were. And that Yah in the heavenlies sends his angels to do battle and tear down these strongholds. Because Paul says it's not flesh and blood we fight against or war against, it's the high places and principalities of darkness that we're wrestling against. So I'm asking everyone, this is an act of social activism, if you will. This is something we all can do. It costs no money. All we have to do is make sure we're right with Yah, otherwise he won't hear our prayers. But if you're right with Yah, if you love him with everything in you, then please join me. October 19th, Friday, we're going to pray all day, fast, and pray that all of Satan's mechanisms and plans that he uses these various satanic cabals throughout the United States and the world will be completely destroyed, upended, and brought to naught. And not a single child will be abused, harmed, or sacrificed on Halloween night of 2018. So please join with me in praying for that on this upcoming Yom Kippur, October 19th, 2018. Hallelujah. We can do this, guys. This is what believers are supposed to be doing. Occupy until he returns. We can do this. We got a chance now with Yom Kippur only a couple weeks before Halloween. We can do this. Let's do it. Hallelujah. Remember, 1 puts 1,000 to flight, 2, 10,000. So just think if we have a bunch of people on Yom Kippur crying out to Yah that Satan's plans are completely upended for Halloween night. Join with me this Friday, October 9th, Yom Kippur, prayer and fasting to upend Satan's plans on Halloween night. Hallelujah! Hallelujah. Shabbat Shalom.